Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use APA format. We'll start by understanding the fundamental parts of an APA paper, from the title page to the reference list. Then, we'll dive into the specific formatting rules for your document, including headings and text. You'll learn how to properly cite sources within your writing, and finally, how to construct a complete and accurate reference list. This step-by-step guide will help you master APA style. Let's begin with the physical layout of your paper. Ensure your document has 1-inch margins on all sides. For readability, use a clear font such as Times New Roman, set at 12-point size. Remember to double-space all text throughout your entire paper, including the title page and reference list. Finally, organize your content effectively by applying the 5 levels of APA headings, which help structure your arguments clearly. Now, let's talk about citing sources within your text. When you refer to another's work, always include the author's last name and the publication year. For direct quotes, also add the page number, like Smith, p. 45. Integrate these citations smoothly into your sentences, whether you're paraphrasing or quoting directly. It's crucial to cite all information that isn't your original thought or common knowledge to avoid plagiarism. Finally, we'll create your reference list. This section begins on a new page at the end of your paper. Alphabetize all entries by the first author's last name to ensure easy navigation. Each reference entry should use a hanging indent, meaning the first line is flush left and subsequent lines are indented 1/2 inch. Be sure to include all necessary publication details for every source you've cited in your paper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.